Is it worth getting front and rear dash cam? Is it worth getting front and rear dash cam? It is very important to have front and rear dash cam. We can get help when we have dual dash cam. The recording capability of HD video is very beneficial. It can provide real dash cam evidence. A dual dash cam is a great accessory for proving our innocence when an accident happens. During an emergency, a good dash cam really plays a vital role in ensuring awareness and recording events. We can face an odd situation when we have a dash cam that has a limited viewing angle. We can get a better view angle and coverage by using the front and rear dash cam. Why we should buy dual dash cam? When we want to know is it worth getting front and rear dash cam, answer is yes. There are many reasons behind this answer. Here we have described one by one. When we drive on the road, accident can happen at any time. On the other hand, many good events can happen. It is essential to capture all the events. Due to having multiple angles, front and rear dash cam can capture both front and rear sides. All the events are easily captured. Dual dash cam has backup monitoring, parking mode features. As a result, we can get alert for upcoming unexpected events. We can clearly see the rear side and number plate of another vehicle. It can cover blind spots better. Some mirrors can't do it. When we have dual camera, we can easily see the outside of the windows. As a result, we can clearly monitor the other vehicles and hazards. Advantages of dual dash cams. Dual dash cams can record the front and rear sides on the road. The rear camera also plays a vital role as a useful backup camera. It helps to capture rear view mirror easily. As a result, we can get rear footage properly. It works as a parking monitor. When a vehicle does not have a parking camera, rear dash cams help us in tricky parking situations. We can also get different types of advantages. We can capture first-hand accident evidence properly. We can capture monitor drivers who drive the first time. We can submit dashcam footage to the insurance company. We can share videos with the law enforcement. We can record the surroundings when the vehicle is parked. We can record inside the vehicle. We can identify reckless driver as well as avoid insurance fraud. Types of dual dash cams. There are various types of dual dash cams in the market. We can find the cheapest dash cam as well as a compact dash cam. We should choose different dash cams for extreme temperatures and extreme cold temperature. For hot climates and cold climates, we should choose different dash cams. Single unit dash cam is one of the common dash cams in the market. It has basic recording capabilities. Some have advanced monitoring features, but most of them have simple monitoring and recording capabilities. Some dash cams have the multifunctional device. Some dash cams have GPS navigation units. Some backup camera rear view mirror have a camera that provides basic recording and monitoring capabilities. It has navigation. It has wide-angle lens as well as wide dynamic range. Placement is difficult for this type of dash cam because the ability to view the device should be maintained. Key features of dual dash cams. There are many handy features to prove is it worth getting front and rear dash cam. Here is the description of premium features that are essential. At first, we should consider image quality. Good video quality is essential for dashcams. 1080p video resolutions are common, but it is better when we choose higher resolutions. In this case, we can choose a 4K resolution. It is a good option with the good video quality. Loop recording is an important feature. We should choose dashcams that have loop recording feature. This feature helps to overwrite when the memory becomes full. GPS system is another important feature. We need dash cam that is built in GPS. We can know real time of the accident. It helps to identify the location and real time of an accident. It also helps to motion detection of the car. It also provides collision detection. We can identify the cause of an accident by using GPS system. Some other factors of dual dash cams. We need some extra features to prove is it worth getting front and rear dash cam. They are additional features. Here is the description of them. Recording capacity is another important factor. Video files are served on a micro SD card. We should know how much space we can use in memory card for dashcam footage. We should also know how much data is used before being overwritten. Many dash cams have slots for replaceable memory. We can expand or exchange the memory at any time. We need power at all times for dash cam record continuously. Cigarette lighter cable is an option, but we can use a battery-powered dashcam for several hours. We need a dashcam that can plug into the 12-volt power outlet of the car. We can use a lithium-ion battery. We can find affordable car battery easily. We can also use a capacitor power supply as well as power banks. For dashcams, power cable mini USB charging cable is used. Wireless connectivity is an important feature. It plays a vital role when we want quick review and backup footage. In the case of instant footage review, LCD screen is another important feature. We should choose a professional installation because it is safe and secure. Professional dashcams need professional installation. The two cameras often interface via a physical cable that will run through our car. We can feel relaxed because it does not cause damage to our interior. We should select dash cams that have a night vision feature. With this feature, dash cams can record under a low light environment. Lighting conditions are not fact. It can capture night video clearly. Conclusion? So is it worth getting front and rear dashcam? I think it is essential. It is valuable. It can identify criminals by saving dashcam video footage. It can also download and share dashcam video evidence. We can save video files. It also helps to get insurance premiums as well as solve insurance claims. It identifies real criminals and protects passengers and drivers. It provides peace of mind as well as helps to save money and time when an accident happens.